What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the M1 MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021. And the reason why I'm doing this again, if you watch my channel a lot, you'll know that I did this in the past. And this is again another shot at this video because last time I'd just come out of surgery and I was so drugged out. I didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't talk at all in the entire video and I was bleeding and there was just, I don't even know why I did it, to be honest. I think I was like just trying to distract myself from the pain I was in by unboxing a MacBook Pro, who knows. Anyway, let's unbox this one and we'll have a look inside with some commentary this time. Here's some quick footage of the Apple Store Sydney where I picked this MacBook Pro up from, and a little look at the outside of the store as well as the inside. So this is just me walking in and gonna have a little look around what they got. So you basically head to this area and then you talk to the staff and they scan your pickup code and then they hand it out to you. So I've just scanned it with them, I didn't want to film them. And now I'm walking to the pickup area and they said it would take a while, so I thought I'll have a little look around. So that's what I'm doing here still. You can also see the new Mac Studio and the screen that comes with it. So I had a little look-see on that, tested out the speakers. They're pretty loud actually. They're not as loud as the old iMac and they have less bass, but they're good. That's pretty cool. It's got like vents on the top of it for cooling. And there's quite a big cooling vent on the back of it. Anyway, so now we're going over to the pickup area, which they told me was near the screen. And it took about 5 minutes for it to come out, which is fine. And yeah, another look at their new training screen. They usually run ads, or when they do trainings in the store, they show them on their screen. Pretty cool to see. It's also really cool to see their little stand with all the cases on them. And it's really nice to see how they've made them so nice. And yeah, the MacBook Pro finally arrived. So then I picked it up and now I head and we're actually going to unbox it now. So let's start the unboxing once we leave the Apple Store. As you can see, this fits really well in the box. I mean in the packaging from Apple. Oh shit. The cool thing about this packaging is that it's made entirely from paper. Isn't that cool? Even this little loop thing is made from paper. I just think that's a pretty cool fact. Here's the device. It's pretty much base model, just got a bigger SSD because I'm going to edit some drone footage on this and it's nice to have everything on the SSD. All right, let's open the box. All right, let's have a look. This is exciting. And it's really hard to open one-handed. The dream. Every time I unbox something, I do it one-handed. I should just get a tripod. You know what? We also have the MagSafe charger. Pretty cool to see. So it's USB-C to MagSafe. And we have the new big charger brick, the 140 watt one. Let's have a look at that. Wow, look at this. It's very big. It's not that heavy though. Let's have a look at the specs on it. There we go. 28 volts at 5 amps. That's quite a bit. Other than that, we have Apple stickers. We have the getting started guide. So it says, welcome to your MacBook Pro. Shows you where the buttons are, all that stuff. And then we have the warranty stuff. On this side, we have HDMI, the USB-C and SD card reader, which is UHS 2. And on this side, we have a MagSafe charger, 2 USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 ports, I believe. And we also have headphone jack. I do apologize for the birds. I can't turn them off. I don't want to film really late because I'll be tired. And then I've been editing a video on the Mac. This is actually the unboxing video, so it's a bit meta to watch it. And yeah, everything plays back quick. It exports fast. This Mac's really good. So I'm really happy with that MacBook Pro. I got it with a discount, so it's quite cheap. I paid about 3,300 in Australia, which for the 1 terabyte model is a really good deal. It's really fast. I honestly don't see the need for the higher spec models, but I guess I use iMovie, so who knows? I'm sure if using Final Cut or Premiere and with lots of layers and effects, I'm sure you'll appreciate the better GPU performance. But I think what you notice day to day going for the UI is the 120 Hertz display, which they all have, and the 8 cores, or maybe it's 10, I forgot. But anyway, the single threaded performance is what matters, and going up the range to the M1 Max or the M1 Ultra, you know, all these models, the single threaded performance is the same. And that's what you notice, like using the UI, browsing websites. It's only when you're doing an export that you notice the other things. But then the battery life's worse because it's using more power. So I think the base model, the battery life's good. It's not as good. I have an M1 13-inch MacBook Pro, and that gets much better battery life because it has more efficiency cores, and it's more like, you know, the same one they're putting on the iPad and products that are a bit more thermally constrained. So if you want the best battery life, get the 13-inch MacBook Pro. But yeah, the speakers on it are really good. The display goes really bright. It's quite nice to watch movies on in 4K. I really like this laptop. It's probably my favorite laptop right now. The downsides, things that I don't like, well, it's really heavy now. So like if you're taking it around a lot, it's kind of irritating how heavy it is now, especially if you have like a camera as well and a tripod, and you know, the weight adds up. The 13-inch MacBook Pro is much lighter. I think the MagSafe, I'm actually not a fan. I'd rather they just did another USB-C port because I just don't like proprietary things. And the cost of a MagSafe, just the cable in the Apple Store in Australia, is $79. Then you buy that charger brick, it's like $200 and something, $250 for a charger. With USB-C, I mean, you can still use USB-C, so it's okay, but it's just annoying. Then you have 2 ports left. But when the older ones that had 4, you'd have 3, so you're kind of doing all right. And I guess it's nice to have a charger that's safe when you kick over the cable. But I don't run my cable in a way where I'll kick it up and fall. Like, the battery life's so good on this one anyway. You don't need to have it plugged in all day anyway. So yeah, I don't know. I guess some more pros. The SD card reader slot is lovely to have back as a drone video maker. It's really nice to just pop the SD card in, review the footage. No need for a dongle. I really enjoy HDMI. It's good to like visit a friend's house and show them Apple TV shows. Totally not pirated material. Yes, Apple TV and Netflix, not Linux ISOs. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, chuck them in the comments below and let me know what you want to know about these devices. And if you have any questions, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Lens Addict out.